We are gonna be such a thing at trick-or-treating. I'd honestly be sunny if I wasn't exactly Cher's size. Take this costume off. Not yet, it's time for choreo. That's choreography. Did you know that? So I can't just spend all day doing so. It's rock, left, rock, right elbow into just half elbow, left elbow into just half elbow. Say it with me. Left, rock, left, right elbow into just half elbow. You're off tempo again. I'm starting to think you don't really want this. I don't want this. Ryan, do you know how many Puerto Rican men came here in giant sweatpants to audition for me? You're taking this too far. I'm not getting bossed around by you for the next 2 days. Now you know how Cher felt about the song. I knew it was just a matter of time until we became the two. You look ridiculous, by the way. How dare you? Thanks, I look amazing. Great, Rupert can be sunny because I'm done. I'm not taking you trick-or-treating. I hang out with my friends. Oh, your friends, huh? Name one. Shut up. Oh, yeah, shut up, my guy. I hate you. Oh, Ryan's such a jerk. Have Rupert be sunny. Maybe I will. Here's your stupid, very real feeling mustache back. Where do you even get something like this? Don't worry about where I got it. Where am I? Is anybody there? You guys are big fat guys, right? I read Native Americans used every part of the pumpkin and provided many gifts, clothing, silk clothes, pumpkins, or even others, relatives, contribute to through songs, dance, and prayers. I am 100% sure it's the buffalo touch you, I'm afraid. Let's see how the little guys do. The dark-eyed jungle. It's a pumpkin death sentence. Scram, scram, get out of there, buddy. You out there getting the proof. What are we talking about? Pumpkins. Shut up about the pumpkin. I can buy a quick call pictures. I apologize for my outburst. It's something I'm working on. No apology necessary. That about all I can take of this stupid pumpkin. Hey, what if we hit Joe's pumpkin before it gets picked up for the family? I'm way in. Great idea, Peter. It's just a standard plan of attack. Something I picked up when I served at Fort Bragg. 1, 2, 3. Where are we taking this? I don't know. What? I thought you had a plan. Yeah, the plan, which everyone loved, was to hide the pumpkin. For crying out loud. Am I the only one who can make plans and have decision fatigue? We wrecked Joe's pumpkin in her sneakers. Are those Yeezys? They're cheap now. Stupid things, I have no friends. Look at all these. Hello, Ryan. Enjoy your school. All these. Hello, Ryan. Enjoy your school. Hello, Sanford. Who is this? My guy, from the line. What line? What line, he says. Top Gun Maverick. Damn, that was like 3 years ago. Ha! What are we getting into, Daniel? Bull shark? Oh, man. I'm like... Look at him. He's so cool. I want to see him so bad. Look who it is. Second place sponsor. That nickname doesn't make sense because 1 year I was 6th place. Feel stupid now, McCloskey. Let me get a closer look at your pumpkin. Could barely see it from over there. What was that? All I hear are whispers from all the pumpkin lawyers saying McCloskey's reign is over. Good news. When your pumpkin loses, you can still use it as a centerpiece of Thanksgiving. Provided you have a small enough table. Hey, it's not worth it. None of this is. I wish I stayed home. Where are we taking this? I don't know. What? I thought you had a plan. Yeah, the plan, which everyone loved, was to hide the pumpkin. Ah, for crying out loud. I told the world to make plans and have decisions to make. Uh-oh. We wrecked Joe's pumpkin in my sneakers. Cleveland, are those Yeezys? They're cheaper now. Stewie thinks I have no friends. But look at all these. Enjoy. Second floor. What do we got going on for Landlord's Eve? Hey, fish? How is this? Right guy. What line? What line? What line? He says, Top Gun Maverick. Damn, that was like 3 years ago. What are we getting into tonight, you old bull shark? I don't know, man. I might go to the Mohawk Cemetery after the movie. But should we get the Dylan boys involved is the question. Hey, well, I got you. Let me show you my yard. So much potential. Now I want to kill him twice. Wait, so cool. I want to see him so bad. It is second place sponsor. That nickname doesn't make sense because 1 year I was 6 plus. That's stupid now, but plastic. Let me get a closer look at your pumpkin. You barely see it from there. Plastic. What was that? Oh, yeah, it's first of all the pumpkin borders and the still use it as a centerpiece of Thanksgiving, provided you have a small enough table. Hey, it's not worth it. Nonsense. I should stay home. And this year's Co-Hog Great Pumpkin winner is... It's just pumpkin stuff, Joe. Say, fellas, pumpkin stuff. Joe Swanson! Better look next year with Friday. I knew it. All the county winners are entered in the state Halloween contest in Providence. Do you know anything about Nature's Pumpkin Contest? I'll suck my pumpkin cord with plastic. It looks like you told me here. My dad was having a big night as a present day Anthony Kiedis costume. Present day Anthony Kiedis and Sonny Bono. Oh my God, what? I made life! Yay! You're alive! Thanks, Steve. This is amazing. Oh, we have so much to talk about. First, candy. I can't wait to join you. Right after I find it. What? Remember? I wish Brian would be. No, I was just angry for a second. I forget all that. You're alive! Let's trick or treat. Of course. We got an Oscar like 100 young boyfriends ahead of me. Gonna do a fishnet dance on Erie and Erie. And I know boys in white what they're fighting for. Anyway. We gotta get Peter out of here. He's starting to lose it. Something is off with this pumpkin. Tall and easy. The Cosby said that to him last year, and now he's there. I have to find a man for a spot on the tail in here. Mr. Swanson, what is going on here? I'm sorry. I'm disgraceful, so I have to go to the bathroom while the tail in here. How was that? Have you seen a dog with a bear and a Sunny Voodoo costume? No, nothing like that. Just a dog with a bear and a present-day Anthony Kiedis costume. That's it. Which way do they go? I'm too late. You're not too late. By the time I start helping, don't you think it'll be too late? Not at all. Yeah.